Alright, hello everybody, how's it going? And today I'm going to be showing you how to get nice, shiny teeth in 5 days or less with 3 simple tips or like hacks, whatever. Check it out. So yeah, it's going to be a great video. Stay tuned. All this stuff is completely like natural. There's no like teeth whiteners that are going to mess up your teeth. Any of that BS. So like we're doing some real natural stuff. Here in my bathroom, yeah. So it's about to be a good time. Alright, so for today's first tip, we got the Equate toothbrush. Y'all check that out. Hopefully y'all get a nice. Now what this is it's one of those spinning brushes that's like battery operated. It was $4. Super cheap, super simple. Check that out. It's just a brush, and you press the button. Boom. Alright. Next thing before we start, we got the toothpaste. I'm using Colgate Opti White. Probably the cheapest toothpaste I can find. It's a stain fighter, whatever. Yeah. And then third, you're going to want to pick you up one of these water flossers. Now they have like a lot of expensive ones that are like electronic operated, but this one's super simple. You just fill it with some water, boom, press the button thing, water comes out. So alright, so I'm going to take y'all through me brushing my teeth, how I got like white, shiny, nice looking teeth in like 3 days, and it's probably only gonna take you like 5 days before you see results. I do this twice a day, once in the morning before I eat, and then once at night after I eat before I go to sleep. So yeah, alright y'all. So we changed the angle up here. I'm gonna take y'all through how I brush my teeth. Before I do, I'm gonna take a Joel hit. Alright, so we take the toothbrush right here. What you wanna do, you wanna get that toothbrush all wet and shit. There we go. Put the toothpaste on right here. Wet that up a little bit more. Brush your teeth, you want to get your, per tooth, you want to do each tooth with the top bristle of the brush. You want to get the front, the back, your gums, front and back, your tongue, and the roof of your mouth. That way you give your entire mouth a full cleaning. Alright? Cool. Next part. Just pro tip here, you rinse your toothbrush under water like that, and then you want to make sure it's dry. Okay, so you wipe it with a napkin or a towel. Make sure it's dry, and then put it back in the case. So that way, you don't get any bacteria or like mold growing on that thing before you use it again. We got the water floss. So this part's very important as well, because I guarantee a lot of you guys do not floss. So now that we got our entire mouth clean, front, back, every tooth, we gotta get in between the teeth. And that's what this really cheap like dollar water flosser thing does. So I'm gonna show y'all how to use it. So you take it, alright, so you put it behind the teeth. So you go behind each tooth facing that way, and you're gonna push the water through the middle of the teeth and get it clean in between each tooth. Super simple with the water flosser. Now this is recommended to me by someone who is studying like dentistry and shit, and they said that this is the #1 way to keep your mouth clean, your teeth healthy, your gums strong, this and that. It's super important. Y'all can see that. I got some nice white shiny teeth, and it's gonna take you 3 days max to see results. It's gonna give you that visibly white smile. It's gonna make you feel really clean and fresh, and it's just really good for your body. So also don't forget to dry out your toothbrush before you put it back, because a lot of like mold and bacteria and shit will grow on there if you do not. To getting yourself as efficient as possible in like all aspects of your life, you gotta have clean teeth, and you know it's gonna make you look a little better, look more attractive, but it's also healthy. It's gonna make your partner happy as well. So alright you guys, thank you for watching. It's a random video, but if you like it, subscribe, comment what you think is the best way to brush your teeth. Hit the like button, whatever. Alright y'all, peace.